In this video, I'm going to give you a few effective tips that will help you uncover your self-identity or self-concept. I will also be explaining to you why self-mastery is key to you sustaining all of your desired manifestations. Before diving into the meat and potatoes of self-mastery, I want to give you a very brief definition of what self-identity means or self-concept. Okay, so basically, it's just a collection of beliefs that you hold about yourself, and those beliefs can be positive or negative. And what I mean by that is you could really believe that you're a very kind, passionate, loving person. You could also believe that you're intelligent, or you could believe that you're a nerd. Okay? And that's just some examples of possible beliefs that you hold about yourself. Okay, so let's get into this, shall we? So as a new manifestor, it is vital that you know yourself intimately. Okay, intimately enough to know who you believe yourself to be, okay? Because once you become consciously aware of yourself spiritually, you can get your conscious and subconscious in alignment by rewriting your subconscious mind by using specific affirmations to rewrite and reprogram your subconscious mind. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I'm trying to convey to you. Okay, so just the other day, I was just doing some housework, okay? And the thought came into my mind, you know what, Julie, you should really start a YouTube channel, okay? You know so much information. You should start a YouTube channel on this subject, okay? Well, in the background, I caught my subconscious whispering into my ear, "No, Julie, you're too old to be doing a YouTube channel. No one's going to listen to you. You're just too old." Okay, people don't want to see an old person on YouTube. Okay, so I literally caught my subconscious saying those things and whispering them into my ear. It was like a background program going on back there, wreaking havoc. So what I did immediately, okay, because I am conscious, is I said, no, I'm not going to accept that thought. I'm not going to accept any of that. So I slayed it, I plugged it, and I rewrote it by writing down very specific affirmations that would totally help reprogram, okay, my subconscious mind. Because I want my subconscious mind to be in alignment with my new desired identity. Okay, so that just leads me now into giving you the first tip. Okay, that's going to help you uncover your self-identity. And that is self-reflection. Okay, so you just basically want to sit with yourself and reflect upon all your feelings, all your thoughts, all your behaviors, and just ask yourself, why do I have certain thoughts and feelings and behaviors? Okay, so introspect work, self-reflection, they kind of go hand in hand. That is something that you need to do, especially if you're new to manifesting. Okay, that is tip number 1. Tip number 2, learn to detach from others' projections. Okay, for example, I would highly suggest you cut ties with anyone who drops negative criticism that leaves you feeling like a lesser human. Okay, because honestly, most folks will project their self-image upon you. Tip number 3, recognize how others have shaped your self-perception. Okay, let's get real for a moment, okay? It is true that how we were treated as a child has influenced our overall perception of ourselves. But I have to say that our parents are not to blame for who we are now, okay? It is your responsibility now to identify undesirable past memories, pluck them, and rewrite your perceptions to match your desired life now, okay? So remember, everything you think, script, and speak needs to be kept in the present tense, because your subconscious mind only hears things in the subconscious or in the in the present tense. Okay, so when you're new to manifesting, there is going to be times where undesirables show up in your reality. You may experience very hot and cold behavior from your SPs or from your friends or your family members, okay? So this leads me into my next video that I will be uploading tomorrow. Okay, and in this video, I will give you the next steps that new manifestors need to take in order to notice, acknowledge, and accept all things that may show up in your manifesting world. Okay, so stay glued to your seats, everyone. Share, like, subscribe, and please comment down below and just let me know if any of this material or content is beneficial to you at all. I'd really appreciate it. But in the meantime, I will see you all in my next video.